Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making quick pickles. Without further ado, let's get started. First, slice the white radish into thin slices about 2 to 3 mm thick. This helps the radish absorb the flavors during pickling. Slice the carrot into thin slices of similar thickness to the white radish. The combination of red and white adds a rich texture. Wash the cabbage and cut it into small, moderate-sized pieces to ensure even flavor absorption during pickling. Wash the small chili peppers and cut them in half. They are key to adding spiciness. Wash the green pepper and cut it into rings to make the pickles more colorful and add a unique flavor. Wash the garlic and slice it thinly. Heat a pot and pour in 1,000 milliliters of water. Add 15 grams of Sichuan peppercorns and slowly bring it to a boil over low heat to fully infuse the water with the peppercorn flavor. Once the water boils, add 3 teaspoons of salt, 5 milliliters of white liquor, and 10 grams of ginger slices. Clean the pot, then pour in another 1,000 milliliters of water and bring it to a boil. Once the water boils, blanch the white radish and carrot slices for about 1 minute until they slightly soften. Then remove them. Next, blanch the cabbage for 50 seconds, then remove it. Prepare a jar and place the drained cabbage, white radish, and carrot slices into it. Add the small chili peppers, green pepper rings, and garlic slices in sequence, followed by 1 teaspoon of salt. Then, pour the cooled Sichuan peppercorn water into the jar until it is full. Cover the jar with a lid and pour water around the lid to create a seal. Let it marinate for 12 hours. After marinating, remove the vegetables from the jar and drizzle with some chili oil before serving. Friends, you must try our quick pickles. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.